Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into another episode of Big Bear Lake Neighborhood Spotlight, and this time it's all about Sugarloaf. Whether you are buying your first cabin, investing in a rental, or just curious about the area, we are breaking down the pros and cons of Sugarloaf so that you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's start with one of the biggest pros, affordability. Sugarloaf is one of the most budget-friendly neighborhoods in Big Bear Lake. You'll find cabins and homes here at a lower price point compared to areas like Castle Glen, Fox Farm, making it an attractive option for first-time buyers or investors. Pro number 2, community feel. Sugarloaf has a laid-back local vibe with a real sense of community. A lot of full-time residents live here, and there's a local elementary school, a small market, and even a fire station. It feels like its own little town within Big Bear Lake. Pro number 3, good for rentals. If you are looking at short-term or long-term rentals, Sugarloaf can be a great choice. Its affordability makes it easier to get a solid return on your investment, and it tends to attract renters looking for quiet, cozy mountain stays. Con number 1, distance to the lake and the resorts. One downside is the location. Sugarloaf is a little further from the lake and the ski resorts. You'll need to drive about 10 to 15 minutes to get to the village, the slopes, or the marina, which might be a deal breaker if you want to be right in the action. Con number 2, simpler homes. Another thing to consider is that homes in Sugarloaf are generally smaller and simpler. If you are looking for luxury finishes or big views, this might not be your ideal neighborhood, although that also means less maintenance. Con number 3, limited amenities. While Sugarloaf does have the basics, it does not have the shopping or dining options that some of the more central neighborhoods in Big Bear Lake offer. You'll need to head into town for most errands and entertainment. So, what do you think? Sugarloaf might not be the flashiest neighborhood in Big Bear Lake, but it's full of charm, affordability, and strong investment potential. If you're looking for value and community, it's definitely worth a closer look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Again, I'm Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Talk to you soon. Bye.